guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors. Doing a little creek float, trying out these new baits we made. Creek's pretty crowded today. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Got something going on here. Got a fish in it. Bass fish. Yep. Go by it, guys. Got it on Huggle Mike crawfish imitation. I was hung up and it came off. Yep. She got some of these or what? Oh, guys. Alright guys, that was a successful test on the Ned crawls and the Hellgamites. Did pretty good. We caught some smallmouth, largemouth, a couple rainbows. I think we got some fall fish, maybe some rock bass. Stay tuned for the next episode of Fishing and Flushing Outdoors.